Hi, this is the second session on Angular. So in this session, we'll talk about components and modules and Angular folder structure. We'll understand Angular folder structure as well, and then we'll do a sample application on that. Okay. So before that, let me show you the folder structure here. So we have SRC folder and we have a app folder. Okay. So in real time we have a different kinds of folders. Like let's say I want to create two more folders like uh, employee module and I want to create department module. So like this in a real time, we'll create like this. So these are the two different modules. So, so this is generally a group of, all this. Okay. So we have a, so if you go into the, app folder, right? So we have a component. We have a component, this one. So this is a component. So components are the main building blocks for Angular application. So each component consists of HTML, TypeScript, and CSS. Okay, so this is optional, but we can use this. Okay, so now we will understand how this HTML will display the data. Okay, so for that, how component binds data into HTML. Okay, so component is a let me tell you. Let me create a one model. Uh, Let me create a employee employee model. Okay. So in this, I'm going to create employee class employee. So what I'll do, I'll add some properties like name string equal to. So we have to give a default value here, and TypeScript is a case sensitive. Generally, what TypeScript will do, it will transpile into JavaScript when we run this application. Okay, so let me give a default value for say age and what else to select salary also. Let me give salary also number. Okay, and department. What else to string. Okay, okay. So this is our model. Okay, now what we will do? So model will so let me take a sample. Okay. So we have a model here and we have a view here. So now we need to build a bridge between uh, these two things. So what we'll introduce component here. So component is a bridge. So it will take the values from component and bind it to the view. So this is the way generally the flow will be happen in Angular. So component is a building code. Okay. So let me do one thing. I'll go to component. So this is our model. Now, as I said, first model and then component. So I'll go to component. What I'll do, I will import component here. Right? So before we import component, first of all, we have to export here. Okay. export component. So it's just case sensitive. Okay, now go to component. Let me import a component here, the model here from. So it is inside the base folder. Okay, employee. So I'll give the class here employee. Okay. Now I want to create a object for this employee. Employee obj colon class type is employee new equal to employee. Okay. So now sorry, this is new. Okay. So now we got the model here in the component. Now this model we have to send it to view. So for that, let me go to the view here. So this is our view, HTML view. So what I'll do, I'll create a sample form here. So to create a form, let's say take name and input, sorry, input text, so type equal to text. Okay, so because we'll take all same, right? So let me copy paste here for so employee name, age, and salary, and then I'll take department. Okay, so I'll use some breaks so that no. Okay, so now we have to bind a model here, the employee name and age and salary. Okay, so for that in Angular we have a property ng model uh, equal to employee employee object dot name. This way we generally used to bind. So this we will call it as Angular directives. Okay. So we generally we use Angular directives to to bind the data. Okay. So we have we have many we have different types of directives like it categorized into component directive, structural directive, and attribute directive. So we have different category directives we have. We'll talk about in the coming session. So for now, I'll just make it simple. So now I'm binding the data here, but let me save here. Okay, now so what I'm doing, I'm binding data component to view. Okay, and let's say if I want to bind view to component or model to view and component to view, then we have to use two-way binding. So view to component, component to view, we have to use round brackets and model to view to use square brackets. Okay, let me save, copy, paste. So now check. Okay. Okay. Let me copy paste all this in every text box. Just print type. and I'll take here age, salary, and department. So it is cases to make sure that the spellings are correct or not. Okay. So this is the okay one. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, why we are getting this error? Let me check. Okay. So I do ng. So yes. So if you see here, right? So this is like NG model. It is not, it is not able to identify what it is. Okay. Okay, got it. So for this, what we have to do is because this is the form, right? So we have to add form module. Go to module and add here form module. Okay. See, we it is already the import automatically added once I added here. Okay. So now the form module is added. Now let me go here again. What is this? It's still okay. Okay. Now where is the HTML? Yeah, employee object. Okay, type. Okay. So see. So so whenever I type here, right, in this text box, I want to see the output in the browser itself. So for that, what we can do is want to copy this and paste here. So this we will call it as expression in Angular. Okay, to be or right. Okay, fine. Or what I'll do, I'll just take this copy and put just below this so that we'll able to understand. The same way, I'll change age. Okay, remaining we can below below here. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let me go to the output. Oh, got it. So when I type here name, let's say I'll type Rajesh. See, this is binding. And the same way, if I type age, it is given here. Okay, okay, heads up. Okay, so here we covered components, modules. These are the modules, and so yeah, this is spec file. So this spec file we use for unit testing in the Angular. So we'll cover this as well in the next session. That's all for this session. Thank you.